Alright mateys, how's it going? Kid Cully here. What I'm going to do is, with my PES 16 MYCLUB, we're going to play the tournament. I'll show you the highlights, so I don't want to show you the full match, bore your tits off. But what I'm then going to do is I'm going to open these packs with your teams that have already qualified for the Champions League and the Europa League, I think. So, this is my team, my starting team: Neuer, Ramos, Gordon, PK, Alba. Sure I've got someone better than PK in my bench? No. Scratch that. He should be in mid really, but right. No, so that'll do. PK, Alba, Vidal, Figo, Ribery, Neymar, Zlatan and Babangida. My bench, gotta use a shite player because it fills up my manager. Then we've got Jovino, Hazard, Hart, Silva, Company and Boateng. So let's get into this game. So this is a winners amongst winners tournament. You've got to win 3 matches, which I thought would be a one-off match, but we'll go for it. Nice header. Oh, well in Figo. Put that in.
Now it's Neymar. And the finish.
Look at this for Figo. See you later, sunshine. And now, like that. Neymar to Babs. Babangida sticking on side. Gosh. The defence is slow.
Alexis Sanchez.
Good goal.
No mistake.
Well,
In the end, they found themselves penned in. Nowhere to
ball.
go.
That is the ball.
Ramos with a delicate ball.
Boom! That was a look at the Ramos pass here.
Time and space aplenty.
Oh, fella turned it off. 2-1. Half time.
Fixing it over.
Nice.
Tries a
Nice.
through ball. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him.
Oh, save. Put the rebound. Finished it. That's it. Back in the net. First match over.
Solid, if not especially fancy. Always in control. They did enough.
And there's the shots he had won.
Final thoughts.
Look, Ronaldo's not there because Ronaldo on this. Ball over the top and it's over. So I think I should be able to handle what he thinks.
Chance. Oh, surely.
Babs! Oh, I should have been in the onion bag. Swing it in. Get up. Get up, Beebs. Hit it. Oh, wow! Thank you. Take that.
Is it in?
Oh!
It's come out. They've got it back and can have another go.
Oh! What the hell?
Neymar. Hefty charge,
Hey?
but fair enough.
Oh, how'd he survive?
Now it's Ibrahimovic. He's not played the
We should have
ball
left that carry on. Unless he sent them off. Yeah, sent him off. He's injured.
Figo.
Absolute
Ball
cock.
through. It's Neymar.
Thank you. Don't need it, but Jovino's fresh. Hopefully, I like Jovino on this.
Jovino tries to head
Oh,
towards goal.
Jovino just walks on, does that?
Jovino. Defenders on the back foot. Looks to slip it through.
Just took it down to skip it.
Jovino set up 1 goal so far. Passes it through. That's a decent ball. Shakes the shoots.
Babangida.
He was urged to shoot, and he duly delivered.
Hey!
No problem when that much time is afforded them.
Hey! Let's get this last game underway. Mark settings. I've got no Ibra, which could bite me on the arse in this match. Baggio, he's good on this. I only know because Paul has got every legend on the game because he's addicted. But let's go.
Made certain that won't get through. And it's Jovino. Jovino with the ball through. A chance! Hurls himself at it!
He's missing even and still scoring the goals.
Oh. Vidal goes long and forward. Oh, good ball. Neymar.
Took it on the keeper! What a finish, Neymar. That's what he's good at. Put Neymar in that position, it's over.
Everton sitting pretty here at half-time. He's just given it straight back. Looks like a good ball through.
Babs. Bab and Keith.
He held his run until just the right moment, and he broke the offside trap.
Oh, that was... Oh, he's fed up. What an idiot. What a gift.
Really are proving themselves to be solid all over the field.
One Javinho, that I love Ramos's passes.
Option, looking to force his way through. Big chance. Neymar.
It's getting too easy.
A piece of really good defending.
Oh, he's in.
Ball through. Morata shoots. And that is it. The referee.
3 games won and a battered everyone. Come on, what do we win? What did they win? Just one. So right, for winning that online tournament, the 3 matches, you get free of these agents with your black balls. So let's get opening them. Oh, where do I stop? Go. Come on, Ronaldo. Not the Ronaldo. Short, shin pads are too short. Who are you? Totti. It's not going to fit in my team. So, Brussels. Not a runner. I've got PK on. What's that? I thought that was PK. Do the cover up wrong. Click X, I'm not covering up, I can't pull the shirt over yet. Who are you? Albiol? Is it? No? Moutinho? Oh, remember when Everton were trying to say Ronaldo's in one of these, or Messi. Oh, I am wrong. It's got a corner. Oh, so Totti is probably the only notable one because he was a runner. The rest have just been standstillers, apart from one. Oh, I can't remember. Wasn't good anyway, put it like that. Reason. Jesus, tonight, Skidder's a good player. That's. Come on. Ah, cramping me on. Oh, posh boots. Where's that? My show. Once it says my squad's full, that is it for the pack opening. Then I've got quite a bit to use in the final. I'm not gonna. At least we didn't get Maggio back. We've got. That's not who I think it is. I don't want him in MYCLUB. Oi. Not getting runners here. You can be added anyway. Veltman. Right, come on. Who is he? Ronaldo. No. Who are you? Klein. Oh my, why is it giving me all shitty Liverpool players? Can't keep them in my club. Ronaldo. Come on. Let's get this. We need a good player. Come on. It's Ronaldo or Messi. Messi. Come on. Let's put the force in. Come on. I've hardly had any runners in these packs. Right, come on. Oh, no runners. Okay, who are you? Soldado. That's the end of the video, mateys. Thanks for watching. The packs weren't that good. I weren't expecting it. Next week is going to be the big pack. But you've seen my team and you'll see me matches and me highlights from them. I destroyed everyone. So once again, mateys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button. And once again, mateys, see you soon. Have a good